Hi guys, Brent here. I just wanted to go over a couple things with you that would be able to help you out with your veneer preps. Right here we have this is our prep guide here, and a lot of people don't quite understand the way to use this here, so I'm going to go over this here. We've got the facial reduction here, and this is based off the diagnostic wax up here. So once we get the diagnostic wax up made, we make a putty matrix for the facial, and then we also make a lingual matrix here for the palate here. Actually, the most important one that we have here, actually they're both very important, is the lingual one here, because we're looking at this for the incisal reduction here. And so once you put this on the preps, obviously there's a preps there, you want to make sure that you have the proper reduction here for the teeth here, and obviously that was going to be a full crown here, so we can have the proper incisal translucency. Depending on how much incisal translucency you want is how much you want to reduce there. If you want 1 millimeter of incisal translucency, I need 1.5 millimeters of reduction. The other thing that's really important too, especially if you have cases that have teeth that are rotated and such, is to make sure that each tooth is in its zone based off of this matrix here. As you can see here, as you get to number 12, it's a little bit mesial here. 11, a little bit on the tight side there, but otherwise here everything is really pretty nice here. So everything lines up, it's in its zone, and you can just think of the zones here as we have. We've got the zones of the teeth here based off the diagnostic wax up there. The other thing is that here's the putty matrix to look at the facial reduction here. So I have this on here. You can take a look at here. For the most part, it's actually pretty good here. As we get around here, a little bit thin in here. That was a crown that was probably taken off. Look at this here. We're a little bit tight on this, so really what we can use, have this rolled back. And as we look at this prep here on number 7, you can see it's actually kind of sticking out a little bit there. It really would have been nice to have like a little bit of an incisal edge roll back there. So again, these putty matrices are really helpful to make sure that your teeth are in the right spot, and that we can achieve the results that we're looking for the finals based off the diagnostic wax up here. So these putty matrices cannot be overemphasized. They are very important. So, okay, any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.